What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. Today is Earth Day when you guys are going to be watching this, so happy Earth Day. I hope you do something nice for the planet today. Today, in honor of Earth Day, we are going to be doing a all green smoky eye, and it's going to be kind of brighter than my last green St. Patrick's Day look. But it's going to be fun because it's spring and almost summer and I want to play with color. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to be using 3 makeup palettes today. And I have them right here. I might only end up using 2 of them. I'm not sure. But I have my Just My Luck palette from ColourPop. And I will link my review of this palette below because that was a fun video. It looks like this. And I have my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which is what I always pull out when I'm doing brights because just look at it. It's real bright. And it has a great selection of bright neon greens. So, my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes is good. I simply have it out because I like this color over here. It's not quite neon, but it's like not quite not neon. So I'm probably going to use that as my transition shade, but that's the only color in here that I'm really planning on using at all. So, my face makeup is already done like usual. And we're just going to jump right into this, so let's do it. So I am going to pull that Modern Matte Green shade and just start buffing that into the crease. We're going to work on really building the color today, so you don't really need to worry about it not being like super bright. I'd rather take time and really build it up to the opacity that I want it anyways. I'm going to mix a little bit of this green shade here from Take Me Back to Brazil. I'm really kind of blowing this out. And I'm going to just lightly dust this all over my lid too. Okay, so now we're looking pretty lime green here. And I'm going to take this little fluffy brush and I'm going to dip into my Just My Luck palette. And I'm going to grab the Kiss My Haas color and start concentrating that in the crease. I'm really liking how that looks so far. I'm going to go in just a little bit with the shade Big Banks, just on the very outer corner. That's looking really nice and blended. And I'm going to take a little bit of that first shade. Just kind of run it over top to make sure it's extra blended. No harsh lines, you know what they say. Okay, so that's looking really nice. I'm gonna take a flat brush and use the Chances Are shade here on the front part of my lid. I'm not gonna cut crease it because I want it to be really smoky, but I definitely want it to be on the front here. I'm gonna dip in with the second Kiss My Hoss shade and just kind of blend over top of this crease a little bit. Okay, so feel like the eyeshadow portion of this is looking pretty good. I'm feeling pretty happy with that. Now I want to add an inner corner highlight, a really blinding one. I'm going to use my ColourPop Flexitarian on a little tiny pencil brush. And this is the only shadow that is shimmery. Everything else we used was matte. And this is the same highlight I used on my cheek. Okay, now I want to do a green on my waterline. So I have my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on Eye Pencil in Freak. I'm going to put that on my waterline. I kind of want to intensify that just a little bit, so I'm going to run over that with that shade we used from the Modern Mattes palette. Because I want it to be really intense. Yes. So good. Okay. Love that. Okay, so now I'm gonna hop off, do my lashes, and hop back on to do lips. I'm using my Lily Lashes by Sephora collection in their style Diamonds, and that's what I'm gonna put on my eyes, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have our lashes on, they look so good. I'm going to do lipstick. So this is my typical combo for a nude lip. I've got my Sephora Cream Lip Stain in number 33 and my Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss in Flat White. And I'm going to put my lip gloss over top. And that's the final look, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I keep doing this, like this is my thing. Cha. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something new and cool today and enjoy this nature-inspired Earth Day makeup tutorial and are inspired to pick up some color and play with it on your eyes. I think it's so much fun during spring and summer to do that. So do it. Pick up your greens. It's fun. And makeup is supposed to be fun. It shouldn't be boring. So definitely play with some color this season, and in honor of today, you know, do it. So let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments below, and I will be sure to get back to you guys. Have an awesome rest of your week or weekend, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. My bangs are so long. I'm trying to grow them out. It's been a nightmare.